Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick little review for the Nonnef upgrade kit for Red Alert. I picked these up last weekend. I bought them on Saturday and they got to me on Monday. That is incredible shipping speed. I went with the Toy Accurate black base red rifle. You can also get the white base. And right now, right after I ordered this, I saw that I believe it's Deep Space Arsenal is developing a kit for Red Alert that's going to make them more cartoon accurate. There are going to be side panels, so I might actually work on getting that too. Funny. So, as you saw, you just peg this right into the shoulder there. It's on a swivel, so it goes up and down. That's great. The red tip is removable. Comes with a really nice molded red gun. And the problem is in alt mode, it really doesn't store anywhere. So unless you put the rocket launcher on one of the sides, it's got a squared peg to the bottom, so I don't know if that'll work or not. Really not interested in checking it out. Very nice molded detail on the gun there. And on the rocket launcher. There we go. All in all, it was only like $6, $6.99 for the set, and then $4 flat rate shipping. So yeah, about 10 to 11 bucks for everything. If you feel like it, pick it up. You won't be disappointed because it really fits well. That was my quick review of the Nonnef upgrade kit for Siege Red Alert. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Hope to see you around sometime. Bye.